Traders, are you ready to trade Bitcoin? The price I'm looking to buy 54,856, 856 pounds. So I'm going to place an order to buy Bitcoin at 54,856. Let's see if I'll be able to show you on 1 minute chart. Yep, I think so. Okay, 54,856. Okay. Okay, guys, order placed. And let's see, if you want to trade Bitcoin, here is your chance. You can enter, it's still Bitcoin higher, price still higher. So you can still enter the order to buy Bitcoin at price 54,856. I want to point out that when we trade Bitcoin, we don't calculate profit or loss based on the pips. We calculate based on percentage, 0.1, 0.2, and so on. Okay, same amount of money, 0.1% gives us 100 pounds in profit, and so on. If Bitcoin will give us 1% in profit, it will give us 1,000 pounds. Okay, so order placed, look like it's moving down to get this order filled. Let's see if we'll be able to do it right now. If not, I will speak to you later when it will get filled. Okay? Come on. No. Okay, guys. I'll speak to you later after when we will get filled these. Yep. Okay. That's it. We're open position, long position on Bitcoin at 54,856. Okay? Stay safe. If you want to find out more how we trade, you need to get the strategy on companyeye.co.uk. I'll speak to you later and stay safe. Okay, traders, Bitcoin. As you can see, it moved up from 54,856, and I am going to place stop on profit 1% to 55,405. Okay, so you guys, if you follow the trade this afternoon, I think we bought just a couple of hours ago, if you decided to trade with me, Bitcoin, right now is the chance to place stop on profit, and if it turns around, you will gain 1% from trading Bitcoin. Okay, let me see, maybe I'll be able to place even higher stop on profit 554,856, because to be honest, overnight charge for Bitcoin will be quite high. For all of you guys who traded on margin before, they know that if you go long overnight, you have to pay to broker overnight charges. If you sell short, broker pays you overnight charges. Because we're long, it's better probably to sell it. Let's see, 54,856 plus 2%, 55,935. Let's do 2%, 54,856 plus 2%. It will give us 2,000 pounds in profit, and I will place stop on profit to 55,953. Just right here at 55,953, stop on profit. Even 55,954. Okay. I place stop on profit. So all of you guys, if you don't want to hold overnight, I do not suggest you and advise you to hold overnight. And at the end of the day, I'm not working to give you advice. It's your decision. We're trading our own funds, so we make our own decision. You just following our trades. So we purchased where? Just right here at 2 o'clock. Okay, and I placed a stop on profit at 54,954, 2%. I'll speak to you later, guys. If you want to get the strategy, please go to companyi.co.uk website and you need to buy the strategy. It's not free. We don't give strategy for free. If you're looking for free strategies, you better use other schools or other people who give you free strategy. This strategy gives you profit, so you have to pay for this knowledge and for the strategy. I'll speak to you later, guys. How do you like that? Position closed at 55,954. We made a profit 2%. Well done, guys. All of you who followed my trades, you did really well. Look, you made 2%. New guys who I just seen a couple of emails we received that new guys joined our team. And well done. First trade, first day, and you did really well. In our case, 2% gives us £2,000. In your case, it's all about how much broker pays you per pip. Let's move on and look for next opportunity to trade pairs. And again, I want to remind, if you want to get the strategy, if you want to find out how come we don't lose money, how come we trade so precise and so profitably, you need to get the strategy. Strategy is not free, and you need to get it from our website, companyi.co.uk, or you can get it from this streamer, from this channel. We trade our own money. We don't trade imaginary money. We trade our clients' money. So it's all happened live in front of you. Right now is the time 15 minutes past 9 evening. So we stay late. Sometimes we stay overnight because market never sleeps, especially Forex. Some people go for weekend just on Friday until Sunday, and they come back at Sunday evening. Okay, guys. Good trade, well done, and I'll speak to you later.